Hello everyone, this is my straight to the point review of this Halo pizza oven. Here in the front we have two buttons. One is the igniter and the second one is the rotation. It can be battery operated or you can plug it in and just use it with an outlet. Alright, so right now we're going to start up the pizza oven. I will press the ignite button and I will churn the dial right here, and this pizza oven does have a dual burner. So right now we are focusing on the bottom burner that's underneath the pizza stone, and here in the back we have the main burner for your pizza oven. Here on the top we have the temperature gauge, and it is both in Fahrenheit and Celsius for your preferences. Once you're ready to place your pizza on the pizza stone, just stop the rotation and try to center the pizza so that when it's spinning, all the sides get cooked evenly. Since we have our pizza in, we will close the lid. When inserting your pizza, you can do it directly through this opening or lift up the top part like we showed. When the temperature gets too hot, you can churn it down using this dial right here. It is totally fine that the pizza stone gets dark. This is just the way the pizza stone gets seasoned so that nothing sticks to it, and our pizza is almost ready. I have stopped the rotation and now I'm going to take out the pizza. All I can say is I would highly recommend this Halo pizza oven for your house, for your family. This is a great purchase, highly recommend.